construction, and today I thought that I would talk to you about some of the different vehicles that you might see at a construction site. So if you were a construction worker going to the site, it'd be important that you be wearing your hard hat so that way your head was protected, and you'd also be wearing a safety vest so that you could be seen wherever you were working. At a construction site, you also might see some tape with words that look like these. Does anybody know what this says? If you said caution, you're right, or in Spanish, it's cuidado. So this tape might be up around an area that you need to take caution around, or an area that you need to be careful, because on a construction site, there's a lot going on. There are different vehicles moving all over. It's important that you're looking and paying attention to all that is around you. So at the construction site, the first vehicle that we have here is this one. This one is the loader. So the loader has very big tires. It has 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the very front of the loader, there is a bucket or a scoop that is used to push materials like dirt or sand or rocks, but also they can be lifted up and loaded somewhere or dumped out in a different spot. So let's demonstrate that. Put our loader down. It's moving along the sand. It's scooping up some sand. And then the sand gets lifted and loaded into this big truck over here, which is the dump truck. Now the dump truck also has big tires. It's got 4 of them. And it has a special area in the back part of it that's not covered. And that this area is called the bed. And the bed of the truck is where dirt, rocks, and other debris or materials get filled up in it. So let's fill it up a little bit more. Let's use our loader. Scoop. Dump it in. And now, we'll pretend that the bed is full, and the driver can hit a button or a lever that makes the bed raise up and dump out the materials. But he doesn't do this very quickly. He makes sure that there's no one behind him, and he raises it up slowly, because if anybody were behind there, they would get hurt by all of the materials falling out of the dump truck. So there he goes, lifting. And everything is dumped out of the truck. The next vehicle we have is the excavator. And the excavator has this long arm coming out of the top of it with a bucket at the end that's used for scooping up dirt or scooping up big rocks. The bottom of the excavator, it also looks a little bit different than the loader, doesn't it? What do you notice? Yeah, if you notice that it doesn't have that it has this round rubber part around it, you're right. This is called the treads. It surrounds the tires, and it helps the excavator to move more easily over all the rocks. And also because it's going over the ground and it's lifting heavy things, the treads help to give it more traction, or to stay straight so it doesn't tip over. And so here's the excavator scooping and digging up the sand. That's the excavator. All right. The next vehicle we have here is the bulldozer. And the bulldozer also has treads, just like the excavator, that helps it to move along more easily on the ground. So the bulldozer is a very strong vehicle because it's able to push or bulldoze, move things over. So it might be pushing over sand or big rocks. Could even probably push over a small tree or a bush. So the bulldozer helps to push away different materials. And the last vehicle I have here is the cement mixer. And the cement mixer has big tires like the dump truck and like the loader. It doesn't have treads, but it does have this big area on the back of it, which is called the drum. And in the drum goes cement. Cement is little tiny rocks that are mixed in with water. And when the cement is mixed, the drum spins really, really fast, and the cement comes out of the bucket and down this chute. And the drum has to kind of keep on moving, because if it doesn't, the cement gets hard inside the drum. So they want to keep it moving until it shoots out, and then once it shoots out onto the ground, it becomes hard concrete, like you might see on a sidewalk. So I'm going to show you what happens when the drum spins. I've got some rocks inside here. You can hear it turning around. And come some of my rocks. They're coming down the chute. Cement would look more like a gray, almost like a gray water that's coming out of it. Okay? So, today we learned about the cement mixer, the dump truck, the excavator, the loader, the bulldozer. Which one do you think is the most interesting? See if you can tell a grown-up about the truck that you really like and tell them what its job is. All right, friends, have a great day.